Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preheating the Wonderchef cast iron Dosa Tawa. Get it hot, not smoking. Once the surface is warm, about 2-3 minutes on medium, add 1/2 teaspoon oil and spread it thinly. This reactivates the seasoning and prevents sticking. Make sure your batter flows like heavy cream, not watery, so it spreads predictably. While the tawa rests after wiping excess oil, you can ladle batter and move immediately into the next step to form an even base. You pour the batter into the center, and using the bottom of the ladle, spread it outward in a smooth circular motion to get a uniform thin dosa. Once done, drop heat to medium-low, reduce about 10 to 20% so the dosa cooks through without burning. Drizzle 1 teaspoon oil around the perimeter and under spots that look undercooked. This crisps edges and aids release. If bubbles appear, press lightly. When edges lift and brown, it's ready to flip or fold. You finish the dosa by folding or flipping for a few seconds. Quick flips keep the interior soft while the exterior stays crisp. Once done, serve immediately. Cast iron retains heat, so timing matters. Between dosas, wipe the surface with a lightly oiled cloth so seasoning remains intact and each dosa separates cleanly. If sticking happens, troubleshoot by lowering heat, adding a 1/2 teaspoon oil, or reseasoning the tawa with a thin oil layer. These steps restore non-stick performance and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.